Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss a question on line integral. So it says evaluate the line integral x square plus y square dx plus 2xy dy, where option A says C is x is equal to t and y is 2t for 0 to 1, and next one is x is equal to t, y is equal to 2t square for 0 to 1, right? So we have two paths provided here and we have to find the line integral, right? Now in this case what we have to find is, we can see if let's say f is given as pi plus qj and r, the positional vector, is given as xi plus yj, then in that case dr will become dxi plus dyj, right? And the line integral f dot dr is nothing but, let's say for C, will be the dot product of pi plus qj with dxi and dyj for C, and this becomes then p dx plus q dy for the curve C. Now this is what the form we have in the question here, right? So we can relate now. So we can relate that this is P and this is Q, right? These are the components of the field, correct? Now we can start with the first one, that is A, where C curve is given by x is equal to t and y is equal to 2t. So let's say it is C1. C1 says x is equal to t and y is equal to 2t. Then dx will become dx, this dx is dt and this dy is 2 dt. So dx, in that case dr becomes dxi plus dyj, which will be now dt I plus 2 dt j. If you want, you can write it like this: I plus 2j times of dt. Yes, and t has a limit from 0 to 1, right? So now this is dr, because dx and dy have certain relation with dt. Also for f, if you want, we can substitute it here itself. For f is equal to fi plus qj, where p was given as x square plus y square. So x square plus y square will become t square plus 2t square, which is 4t square I component plus 2xy. So 2 into t into 2t, I'm writing it here, 2 into t into 2t, right? This is what we have. So this becomes 4t square, 4t square j component, right? Now the line integral can be given as t square plus 4t square. Now I'm writing again dx directly instead of doing the dot product, because we know the dot product will give the result which is in the form of question provided, right? So 2t square plus 4t square into dx, and instead of dx we'll write dt and 4t square into dy, and instead of dy we'll write 2 dt, and the limits for t is from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1. So this becomes 5t square and this becomes 8t square. 5t square plus 8t square dt from 0 to 1. So this is nothing but 13 integration of t square dt 0 to 1. This is 13 into t cube by 3 for the limit 0 to 1, which is simply 13 by 3. So this is going to be the answer for curve C1, right? So we saw that how we are relating dx with dt, dy by dt, and how dr is changed from dx, dy to dt, some relation with dt, and we also substituted p and q in terms of t, and we found the value. Second curve says that x is equal to t and y is equal to 2t square, again for the same limits 0 to 1. So now that we know what we were trying to do in the previous question, we can do few things directly and skipping some of the steps, right? So like we can write dx is equal to dt and dy is equal to, now it will be 4t dt. So dx dr becomes, now I can write it directly, I times of 4t j times of dt common, right? Now I can write it directly because we know dx is dt and dy is 4t dt. So I'm taking dt common and writing dr directly in I and j components. Also, let's directly put the values of for the field vector, that is x square plus y square, right? The first term is x square plus y square. So this x square plus y square becomes t square plus 2t square ka square, which becomes 4t to the power 4 as I component, and 2xy. So this is writing it here 2 into t into 2t square, that becomes 4 and this is square, so t to the power of 3 j component, right? Now we know this is the p and this is the q just by substituting the x and y, right? Now we can do the integration. So this will be integration from 0 to 1. This is t square plus 4t to the power 4, and the other term is directly writing it as dt plus 4t cube into 4t dt, right? Because dy is 4 times of t dt. So this is going to be t square 4t power 4. So this will be, I'm writing in the same order, t square plus 4t to the power 4 plus 16t to the power of 4 dt 0 to 1. So this becomes t cube by 3 plus 20 t to the power 4. So this will give you 4t to the power 5 for the limit 0 to 1, which is nothing but 1 by 3 plus 4, which is 13 by 3, right? Now this is 13 by 3.